15 ways to instantly look more attractive. Do you want to know how to instantly look more attractive? You don't have to be born with good genes or spend a fortune on beauty products and treatments. There are simple things you can do every day that will make you look and feel more attractive. This video is going to show you the best 15 ways to look your best without spending too much time or money. If you watch this video to the end and apply these 15 simple tips, you will be surprised to see how much people will start admiring you more. You will feel much more confident and attractive than ever before. So, learn these tips and make everyone attracted to you. Welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Masters YouTube channel. If you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. Let's start. Number 1. Relax your face. We all know that an attractive face should be relaxed, calm, and collected. When you are tense, your jaw tightens up and can accentuate lines. So before going out or meeting people, it is important to relax your facial muscles into a gentle smile for around 1 minute. This will get oxygen flowing through the bloodstream for clear thinking. Studies have shown that relaxed people have a significant advantage over those who are stressed. When you give your face a break from tension, it can help reduce dark circles and puffiness in the eyes, and this will make you instantly more attractive. Number 2. Smile a lot. This one is self-explanatory. When you smile, it makes you look and feel more attractive, and people will be attracted to you like a magnet. There's tons of science behind it. When you smile, your brain releases dopamine, a chemical that makes you feel happy, and serotonin, a chemical that helps reduce stress. So when you smile, your body is sending signals to itself about how to act. It will make people like you more because it will instantly boost your attractiveness level. Number 3. Fake confidence to hide insecurity. For a lot of people, insecurity is the number one reason they feel unattractive. When you are insecure, it shows on your face and people will be less attracted to you. So if you want to look more attractive instantly, learn how to fake confidence so that no one can tell how insecure you are deep inside. For this strategy to work, you have to act like you are the most confident man or woman on earth. This is very important because it will trick people into thinking that you are just an incredible person with endless confidence. And most importantly, faking confidence will train your mind and body to become confident. So with time, you will become much more confident. Number 4. Make yourself look taller. Did you know that tall people are considered more attractive by everyone? And not only that, they are seen as more successful and intelligent. So there is a good reason why you should try to make yourself look taller. And the easiest way to do this is to isolate your spine from your legs by pulling your shoulders up high while standing tall. This will instantly add 2 to 3 inches to your height. So learn this simple trick to make yourself look taller. And if you need more height, try wearing high-heeled shoes. Number 5. Wear the color red. It is scientifically proven that women wearing red are twice as attractive to men than women not wearing red. This doesn't mean that you have to wear red all the time, but once in a while, it can be very attractive. If you want to look and feel more attractive, try wearing red every now and then and notice how people will start reacting to you differently than before. Not only for women, although it's less common for men to wear red, but when they do, it will attract a lot of attention and admiration. Number 6. Listen more than you speak. There is a scientific fact that people who talk more are considered less attractive. People in general think that talking too much means being insecure and not confident. And if you want to look more attractive all the time, you have to learn how to communicate better by listening twice as much as you speak. When you are listening to other people, it shows that you care about what they have to say, and this will make them feel much more attracted to you. So if you want to look attractive all the time, learn how to listen more than you speak. Number 7. Walk with your head up and your back straight. Having good posture not only makes you look more attractive, but it also makes you feel much better inside. A straight back and a head up show that you care about yourself and your body, and this will make people attracted to you instantly. You don't have to exaggerate the way you stand because too much of anything is never good. Just try to stand straight with your head up, even if it's natural for you. And if you need to remember this tip, say, don't slouch. Over time, the body will get used to standing straight automatically. Number 8. Wear clothes that suit your body type. This one is crucial if you want to look more attractive. You have to wear clothes that fit your body type, and this is something that most people don't do on purpose. If you wear too loose or tight clothes, it will make you look unattractive and not confident at all. So if you want to look more attractive, it's time for a makeover. And it doesn't matter if you are skinny or overweight, there is always a perfect size of clothes that will fit your body and make you look attractive. Number 9. Sleep more and drink water. According to science, getting enough sleep and drinking enough water are directly related to making you look more attractive. Sleep deprivation and dehydration will make your body look tired and drained out. This, in turn, will make you look less attractive than you actually are. So if you want to look beautiful all the time, remember to sleep at least 7 hours per night and drink 8 glasses of water every day. And find a good sleeping schedule to get enough sleep every night so you can wake up looking refreshed and beautiful. Number 10. Don't avoid eye contact. For a lot of people, avoiding eye contact is the easiest way to avoid any confrontation. And the truth is that people who are avoiding eye contact are not confident in themselves and don't have enough self-esteem. But if you want to look more attractive, you have to overcome this bad habit because it's actually one of the biggest turnoffs. So, next time you go out or meet new people, look them in the eyes and show that you are confident in what you do and who you are. Number 11. Accept yourself for who you are. This is probably one of the most important things if you want to look more attractive. You have to learn how to accept yourself for who you are and let go of all those critical thoughts that make you feel insecure about yourself. And this is something that takes time, but it's worth the effort because being happy with who you are will make people attracted to you instantly. So stop thinking that there is something wrong with you and start accepting yourself for who you are. And if someone doesn't accept you, it doesn't matter because it doesn't mean that you are less attractive. Number 12. Don't take everything too seriously. Taking everything seriously all the time is never good if you want people to be attracted to you. Happy people are always happy and positive, no matter what comes their way. And this is how they attract people to them, because happy and humble people are always fun to be around. So make sure that you don't take everything too seriously and learn to enjoy life every minute of the day. This doesn't mean that you should be careless about your responsibilities or stop what you are doing. It's just important to have a balance. Number 13. Show respect to everyone. This one is obvious, but many people nowadays tend to forget about it or they don't even care about this simple rule. People are naturally attracted to those who are polite and respectful towards everyone, but on the other hand, they are turned off by those who have arrogant personalities that tend to disrespect others. So next time when you feel that itching sensation to act like a bad boy or girl, stop yourself and remember that showing respect will make you look more attractive than ever. Number 14. Wear bright colors. Wearing bright colors will make you stand out from the crowd. And this is one of the most important things if you want to look attractive, because it's always good to have an eye catcher that will attract people's attention. So instead of wearing black and brown every day, try to experiment with different bright colors like white, blue, purple, or red and see how they make you feel. Bright colors will look amazing on people with darker skin, but they will also look great on pale skin, so it doesn't matter what your skin tone is. Number 15. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Asking questions shows that you are interested in others, and it also allows you to learn more about them. And this is always a good way to make people feel that they matter, because nobody wants to be ignored or unheard. So next time you go out with friends or meet new people, try asking questions and see how their faces light up with happiness. Many people feel intimidated when they meet new people because they are afraid to ask questions. But the truth is that asking questions is a great way to connect with others and make them feel special, so don't be afraid to do it. Conclusion. Looking more attractive is something that can be easily achieved if you just follow these simple tips. And the best part is that you don't have to be born with good genes or spend a fortune on beauty products and treatments. Just by following these tips, you will start feeling more confident about yourself, and people will start being drawn to your positive energy. It's very important to keep in mind that you are beautiful just the way you are. So don't let others make you feel insecure about yourself, because there's nothing wrong with who you are. You are unique in many ways, and accepting yourself should be your priority, not trying to impress others. To learn more, Check out other videos on this channel and the links in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.